So Ava and Storm, it is so amazing to meet you. We've seen A Wrinkle in Time and it is incredible. So obviously Ava, you're the director, and Storm, you play the lead character, Meg. Now, Meg is guided through space, time, the universe by the three misses. And they are really strong female characters. Are there any misses in your lives?
Yes. I would have to say my mom and my sister, because they've been there since day one, and they inspire me, and they are so strong, and they are warriors, so they are warriors for me, and they taught me how to be a warrior, so I love them dearly.
Good warriors. I'd say the same, you know. So often we look for warriors or people that are like the misses outside of our own families, but so often, you know, they're right in front of us. So it might be your teacher, might be your mom, might be your sister. For me, it was all of those. I had teachers that were really instrumental, but also my mother, my aunt, my grandmother.
In the film, the misses talk about being a warrior and becoming a warrior. So what do you think young girls can do to become real-life warriors?
You know, I think to become real-life warriors, young girls need to tap into the light inside of them. So often we're told that we aren't enough, but everything you need to be anything that you want to be is inside of you. It's not outside. It's not how someone else looks. It's not what someone else says. It's not what someone else is doing. It's what you want, what you're doing, and who you are. And those are the ideas that we try to share in A Wrinkle in Time. And through Meg's journey, you really get to see a girl taking hold of that.
Yeah, and for you as well, I mean, what do you think young girls can do to be warriors?
I think the same thing, and just finding the light from within themselves and loving themselves before they can be a warrior for other people, and being the warrior for themselves, and being mentally strong, and yeah, being the light for themselves to be the light for other people.
100%. That's such a brilliant message, like, to be happy with yourself, I suppose, first. So the misses in the film, Mrs. Who, Mrs. What, and Mrs. Which, are played by Oprah Winfrey, Reese Witherspoon, and Mindy Kaling, who are all successful, talented women. Now, have any of them given you any advice that has really stuck with you, Storm?
Yes, Mrs. Oprah told me, don't waste energy on things you can't change in life, when you could be using that energy for something else positive in your life. So that's just become like my life motto to keep me uplifted and empowered and positive.
Yeah. And can you tell us why you think a 9-year-old girl should go and watch A Wrinkle in Time?
Well, Wrinkle in Time is a film that is going to keep you on the edge of your seat as you watch Meg Murray travel through the universe in search of her father. She hops planets. She encounters all different kinds of creatures and beings with her two friends. One is her brother, and one is a boy at school who kind of likes her. And you see Meg be the hero and learn how to use the light inside of her to save the day.
Brilliant. Guys, thank you so much for talking to us today. Good luck with A Wrinkle in Time.
Thank you.
It's amazing.
Appreciate it. Thank you.